Huh? You want shit? You talking all that shit on me? If you want to put this through your fucking face, bro? Done. You're fucking done. Put it to my face. Done. Put it to my face. It's fine, bro. Put it on 10 ounces. I'll punch you in your fucking face and we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Just punch me. Just punch me. He's just talking shit. Talking little. I make jokes, I smile, so all of a sudden guys think that's a weakness. That's a wrong thing to think. It's two different people, man. Two different people. And when I turn it on, you can't turn me off. That's a bad, bad thing he just did right there. A bad thing. I'll tell you right now, if I see that guy in the tournament, if we meet anyhow in the tournament, I'm going to beat the out of him and I'm going to knock that guy out. Straight up. You can put that on camera. You can put that on the record. I'm going to beat that guy up.
So the Black Hulk makes his way forward in the kickboxing world, but he's...
السلام عليكم ومرحبا بكم في فيديو جديد واللي غادي نتابعوا من خلاله نزال محمد بوبكاري ضد الكندي توت ستاو، المقاتل اللي ظهر واثق من قدراته قبل النزال وقال انه سيسقط المغربي بالضربة القاضية.
In Holland, the Toronto-born Canadian Todd Stout.
He's going to come out firing, isn't he?
Yes.
All guns blazing.
Look at what's going on. Well, here we go then. The action resumes.
Quick punches, but nothing
His
really
chin's
effective.
too high, isn't it? There's a nice knee from Todd, but his chin's much, much too high.
See, with MMA gloves, you might be able to get away with that. Go
Yeah.
through the guard, but not with boxing gloves.
No, you can't. Not with these 10-ounce gloves. It's a hard leg kick from Mo. Overhand right.
Oh.
Oh. Oh my goodness! An absolute huge head kick to the chin of Stout as he goes forward, falls really heavily.
في هذا النزال لم نستمتع كثيرا بتقنيات المقاتل المغربي لأنه أنهى المواجهة في أقل من دقيقة وبضربة قاضية صنفت من طرف البطولة على أنها واحدة من أعنف الضربات في تاريخ منظمة الانفيوجن منذ إنشائها. محمد بوبكاري اللي هو أيضا بطل العالم لحساب نفس المنظمة في الوزن الثقيل. إلى هنا كان معكم مراد، شكرا على المتابعة، السلام عليكم.